Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Zanfar Ali, your chemistry tutor, and today we are going to talk about the ETAD reaction. ETAD reaction is an organic reaction in which there is formation of aryl aldehydes and the aromatic methyl group is oxidized by the chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. Definition of ETAD reaction in which there is formation of aldehydes, aryl aldehydes takes place when aromatic methyl group is treated with chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride in the presence of solvents like in the presence of solvents like carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. These solvents are used in the ETAD reaction. Now we are going to talk about the general reaction. We take toluene, then we add chromyl chloride that oxidizes the aromatic methyl group in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, or we can also use carbon disulfide. Then there is formation of a brown chromium complex. A brown chromium complex is formed this is a brown chromium complex. Then we add water in the brown chromium complex, then there is formation of benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is formed. It is formed from the toluene when the toluene is treated with the chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon tetrachloride and carbon disulfide. Now we are going to talk about the mechanism of this reaction. The mechanism of ETAD reaction is very, very important. You have to focus on each and every step. Then we add chromyl chloride, reaction takes place in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Two free radicals are present here, two free radicals are present here. Similarly, two free radicals here, two free radicals here. Now what's happened? Now this bond formation takes place so that a brown chromium complex is formed. There is a bond formation takes place between this hydrogen, and this oxygen, and this carbon. There is a bond formation takes place between this carbon and this oxygen. Okay, there is bond formation takes place between this carbon and this oxygen, this hydrogen and this oxygen. Similarly, there is a bond formation takes place between this hydrogen, I represent it by a red marker. Bond formation takes place between this hydrogen and this oxygen, this carbon, and this oxygen. There is a bond formation takes place between this hydrogen and this oxygen, this carbon and this oxygen. There is a bond formation takes place between this hydrogen and this oxygen, this carbon and this oxygen. A brown chromium complex is formed. CH O Cr, that is chromium, OH with two chlorides. Similarly, chromium, Cl, Cl, OH. This complex is formed from when the toluene is treated with the chromyl chloride. In the next step, we add water. In the next step, we add water. The lone pair of oxygen attacks on the chromium. This bond is transferred here. These electrons are attracted by this oxygen, and in the next step, there is formation of benzaldehyde, and there is formation of Cr, Cl, Cl, OH with oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, and there is also formation of Cr, Cl, Cl, single bond OH, single bond O negative. This negative attacks on this hydrogen, and these electrons are attracted by the oxygen, and there is formation of Cr, single bond OH into twice with Cl2. Now you will check, there are two chromiums, 4 OH and 4 Cl present. So this is formed Cr, OH into twice, Cl2 into twice. This is formed. So this is the mechanism of Itard reaction. So this is all about the Itard reaction.